In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent text intro in Canva. If you're new to Canva, or even if you're a seasoned user, this tutorial is designed to empower your creative expression and enhance your video projects with a sleek and modern touch. First, let's head over to Canva's website. Open your web browser and type in Canva's URL, or simply search for Canva on your preferred search engine. Once you're there, click on the Login button to get started. If you already have a Canva account, enter your login credentials. Otherwise, you may need to sign up and follow the prompts to create a new account. Most users can conveniently log in with Google. If that's your choice, click the option for Google, select your Google account, and then click Continue. This integration makes it superbly seamless to get started without having to remember yet another password. Now that you're logged into your Canva account, you'll be taken to the home page. From here, you can access any existing projects you've been working on. Go ahead and open your video project that you'd like to enhance with a transparent text intro. If starting from scratch, initiate a new video project instead. Once you have your project open, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu and click on Text. This will give you the options to add various types of text to your design. Click on Add a Heading to create new text for your intro. In the text box that appears, type in your desired title or phrase. Subsequently, it's crucial to position the text where it fits best visually within the frame. You can do this by clicking and dragging the text box to your preferred location. Next, let's focus on resizing the text to ensure that it stands out prominently. By adjusting the handles around the text box, you can increase or decrease the text size as needed. Now tailor the text to match your aesthetic vision by clicking on the drop-down menu that shows different font options. For this tutorial, we're going with a specific font, so type in 210 black box. After selecting it from the list, click to apply it. Enhance the visual appeal by selecting the highlight option, which adds a background color to your text. This helps in creating better contrast. Choose a color that contrasts well with the video background, ensuring your text pops visually. With the text sorted, you can also adjust its transparency. Navigate to the transparency option and make subtle changes to achieve your desired level of opacity, giving your intro a professional and polished look. Finally, play the video to see how your new text introduction unfolds. This is a great way to tweak any last-minute adjustments and ensure your intro is as impactful as you intended. This straightforward process helps turn a plain introduction into an engaging visual statement, boosting the professionalism of your video with minimal effort. Happy designing!